Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Henry Vernon from ACC Driving School. I'm here at South Florida DMV. I'm gonna run you through the driving tests. As usual, I'm gonna ask you guys to subscribe to my other YouTube channels. I have the Sequence Sound. If you're into music, reggae, dancehall, anything like that, we have the Sequence Sound YouTube channel. We have Exotic Car Culture, which is my other channel if you're into cars and such the like. We have this channel, ACC Driving School. If you have not subscribed already, I'm going to beg you to do so. I'm also going to ask you to let you know actually that we have the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes available on the website, accdriverseducation.com. So that would be the 4-hour, the 8-hour, the 12-hour class. We also have the drug and alcohol class, the 4-hour class. On my channel, on my website, it's called the First Time Driver 4-hour class. That's the class you would need before you do your learner's permit. As I was saying, I have the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes. The First Time Driver class, the one you would need before you do your learner's permit. It's on the website. It's called the First Time Driver class. That's 4-hour class. You read and answer the questions. I also have the written test on the website for people that is under 18. So if you're under 18, you can do the 4-hour drug and alcohol class and the written test on my website. Again, that is accdriverseducation.com. If you want to do the third-party driving test, you can call me at 954-588-8075. Again, that is 954-588-8075 to do the third-party driving test. Alright, so let's get into the video. The test starts here. If you look around, you will see, I'm not going to tell you which DMV it is, but the test starts in the parking lot. There's a sign that says no practice parking. That is basically during the DMV open hours. Like now, DMV has been closed. It's like 6:30. So, you can practice here after hours, but not during the time that they're open. So, I am in South Florida. I'm at a DMV in South Florida, and I'm going to run you through the actual driving test. So, the examiners will ask you at some point during the driving test, if you're parked facing up, well, they'll ask, probably when you go into the parking space, they'll ask you if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel? The answer is left away from the curb. I'll say that again. The answer is left away from the curb. Then they'll say, what else do you do? And you will say you will put the car in park, you will pull up the parking brake, and you will turn off the ignition. Again, you will put the car in park, pull up your parking brake, turn off the ignition. Then they'll check your turn signals to make sure the turn signal lights are working. So they'll say signal left, you signal left. Signal right, you signal right. Then they'll say blow the horn. They're checking to make sure that the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, and the horn is working. Alright, they will not take you out in a car if any of those things are not working. Then they'll tell you to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Right? And then they'll say turn all the way to the right. They're checking your tire to make sure you have good tires on the car. Again, they will not take you out in the car if the tires are bad. Then once you're done with that, then you'll straighten the wheel. So that's scion. See that one time? Go around again. Scion 2 times. So from extreme left or extreme right, you want to see Scion, Nissan, Toyota, Honda, whatever car you have, you should be able to see the logo in the upright position twice to know if you're straight. If you're turned all the way left and then you're turned all the way right, or left or right, to straighten the car, you would turn the wheel twice to the middle. Now we're going to reverse from here and we're going to go to the right. They're going to say reverse and go to the right. So we're going to reverse. You put the car in reverse, you're going to look behind you. You're going to look both ways here because cars could be coming from any direction, right? So you're looking out, you're going to wait until your mirror is past the end of the line. When your mirror is past the end of the parking lot line, like that, you see that? Your mirror is past the line, that's when you will turn the wheel all the way to the left. You will look behind you and you will roll back. Look behind, roll back, and then you will stop about here. Put the car in drive, and you're gonna straighten up and you're gonna stop at this stop sign right here. So you stop at the stop sign, and you're going to look both ways. You look to the right, you look to the left, you make sure there are no cars coming, and then you will proceed to go into your right lane. And I'm being extremely specific here. You got to go in your right lane. If you end up in the left lane, you will fail your driving test. Now we're going to be driving about 10 miles per hour, right? You're coming down to a stop sign here. We're going to make a left turn, so you signal left. You come to a complete stop. The examiners will tell you where you're going, by the way. So you stop at the stop sign, and then you creep out to where you can see down the road, left and right. Make sure it's clear on both sides, and then you take your time and you go out into the right lane. Okay? Now you're going to be driving no more than 10 miles per hour. Maximum speed here is about 10 miles per hour. So we're going to drive down to the stop sign. You're going to say make a left, you make sure you signal. Again, if you don't signal, you will get 4 points for each and every time that you forget to signal. You're only allowed to get 30 negative points. I mean, 30 is a lot, but if you get 31 points, you will fail the test. So you want to make sure you signal every time. You don't want to get unnecessary points. You get what I'm saying? So now we're going to make a right turn. They're going to say make a right. So you signal, and you make sure you come down to the stop sign here. You come to a complete stop. Here's a three-way stop sign, right? So you look and make sure you get there first, so you go first. You're staying in the right lane here because they're going to tell you to make a right. Then they're going to tell you to make the right turn up here. So again, you signal to the right, stay in your right lane. Make sure you pass the curb with your mirror so you don't jump the curb with your back wheel. So they're going to tell you to speed up to 20 miles per hour and do a sudden stop. Like today it's raining. It was just raining, right? If this was a driving test, they probably would not have done the quick stop, but for the video I'm gonna do that, right? So you speed up to 20 and you stop. That's what they're gonna tell you to do, right? And then they're gonna say reverse in a straight line. So you're gonna look behind you, and you're going to make sure you're looking behind, and you're going to roll straight back. Now you're rolling straight back, and you're making sure you're on the right side of this line. The line's not clear, but if you look, you will see the line right there. So you got to make sure you keep the wheel straight and roll straight back until they tell you to stop. You get what I'm saying? When they tell you to stop, then you're going to put the car back in drive, and they're going to say do your 3-point turn. So you signal left, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, and you're going to roll forward. You're going to stop before you go into the parking space over there. See what I'm saying? You stop in before you get to the parking space. Then you put the car back in reverse. You turn all the way to the right. By the way, they don't want you using your mirror here, so you kind of look behind, right? When your mirror is past the middle line, like right there, you're going to stop. Put the car back in drive, and you're going to signal left again. Right? We're going to go to the stop sign right here, and we're going to make a left turn. They'll tell you what to do, right? They'll tell you step by step where you're turning and what they expect you to do. They won't tell you how to do it, but they will tell you what to do. So we're going to make a left turn here again. You signal left. You're staying close to the right side because now you're going to park in between the cones right there, right? So you're going to signal left. You're going to come up to the line right here. Yo! And you're going to line up your mirror with the cone, the first cone on the left side, and you're going to turn all the way to the left. And you're going to roll into the parking space, just like that. Okay? Now you're going to reverse out of the space, so you're going to roll back until your mirror is past the cone. You got to make sure you're looking back. When your mirror is past the cone, you're going to stop like about here and turn all the way right, because they're going to tell you to back out of the cone and go to the left. Okay? Signal left. Alright, we're gonna go to the stop sign now and we're gonna make a left turn. So signal left. We're gonna make sure we stop at the stop sign. 1, 2, 3. Look both ways, make sure it's clear. And then we're gonna go out and we're gonna come to the stop sign here again. Signal left. Stop completely. We're looking both ways, making sure that we're clear, and then we're gonna go ahead and make a left turn into the right lane, because now we're gonna make a right turn at the stop sign. So you signal left, you come to a complete stop. 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna go ahead and make a right turn. They'll tell you to make a right turn, right? So you make sure you make the right turn, stay in your right lane. You can never end up in your left lane, right? Stay in the right lane. You're gonna make a right turn, so you signal right. And you're doing no more than 10 miles per hour, my friend. Just keep it slow. They don't want you speeding through the parking lot. If you speed through the parking lot, that is the reasons to fail you. Okay? So we're gonna come back over here to where the test started, and they're gonna tell you to find a place to park. So you signal to the right. You're gonna stay into the right lane, and you're going to park somewhere on the right side, whatever is available. You know what I mean? You straighten up and you pull straight in. And that, my friend, is essentially the driving test. That is the driving test. That is exactly what you will get to do at any DMV, practically any DMV in Florida, to be honest, because I've heard from people in Jacksonville and Orlando and Tampa and whatever, and the test is the same wherever you do it in Florida. The only thing that would be different, I guess, would be the parking lot that you're doing it in. So again, that is the driving test. So I'm going to ask you guys again to subscribe to my other YouTube channel. That would be Sequence Sound if you're into music, reggae, dancehall, sound system, exotic car culture if you're into cars. Check that out. And this channel is ACC Driving School. I hope you have subscribed already, but if you haven't, I'm asking you please to do so. And again, the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes are on the website accdriverseducation.com. 4, 8, 12-hour first-time driver class, written tests for people under 18, all on the website. Again, accdriverseducation.com. Do the third-party driving test. You call me at 954-588-8075. Again, that is 954-588-8075. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.